Hello there, welcome to the YouTube channel, and in this video I will be showing you what I consider the best Android TV browser or the best TV browser that you should use on your Android TV. This is going to be a full guide video because in this video I'll be showing you the browser that I consider is the best for Android TV. I'll be showing you the features of this browser that differentiate it from other TV browsers. I'll be showing you why I love this browser over all other Android TV browsers, and also I will be showing you how to install this browser to your Android TV or how to update it to your Android TV. So I highly recommend you watch the video right up to the end, and if you find it helpful, please do us a favor, like, subscribe and share. By liking and subscribing, you're encouraging us to be able to create more videos like this. So as I said, this is a good video and I'll be showing you this browser. If you watch it right up to the end, I believe you're going to love this browser. So for this video, I'm using my Android TV box and I'm using a remote control to navigate on my Android TV. So if your TV is on Android TV, I don't really think this browser is going to be effective. And lastly, if you're finding difficulties navigating with your remote, you can use a mouse or a USB mouse to navigate your TV like I am doing. Now, just for the devices I'm using in this TV, I'm going to recommend them in the description. So if you're looking for Android TV, then in the description of this video, I will recommend various Android TVs that you can use if yours is not the best. Nevertheless, let's get started with the video. So for starters, here's how the browser looks like. This is the display of the browser. At first, I first of all love how it looks like. The way when you open the browser, this is how it looks like. It looks like another TV system on its own. As you can see, this is the browser. I'm going to be explaining you several features on this browser that I believe as an Android TV user you are going to find them very helpful. And the very first thing that you need to see in your browser, of course, is a search. If you want to search, it's very easy to search. You can come over here and type in whatever you want to search. Let's say, for instance, you are searching for something like TV. You can just go ahead and type. The reason I'm typing quick like this is because I am using a remote to navigate. So when you search, it uses Google as its search engine. So you know, Google is a search engine for this browser. So this is how the search works perfectly on your TV. So I'm using this on my TV. So I can return home. Let's see, this is how you return home. Or this is just one of the features already. Once you search for something, let's say for instance, let's go back to that my search. I search TV for instance, and I do not want to return home completely. I can quickly search for something else while still on that search history. So that's one of the first things I might want to look out for, but even though it's very bigger feature. Now, one thing I really consider very good about this browser is because you are able to type faster using your Android phone. So for instance, if you're unable to type on this phone, you can scan this QR code with your Android phone and just quickly type in what you're looking for on your Android phone, and it's going to display on your Android TV. This is a feature that I have not seen on any other browser but this one. So I really love this feature. You can try it out. Use your Android phone, scan this QR code, text or search what you want to search or type it on your Android phone, and you're going to quickly get it on your Android TV. This is because searching on Android TV is quite difficult. Now another thing that you might want to check out is this optional IPTV. So with this browser, you might not necessarily need to install an IPTV player. You can simply use a browser. So if you have your playlist, you can just go over here, add your playlist here or watch your playlist here without necessarily needing to install an IPTV player. So this has an inbuilt IPTV player. That's another feature I love about this browser that I have not seen on any other browser. Another thing that you might love on this browser is that it has an inbuilt ad blocker. So if you want to block ads, you can just simply click on ad blocker over here, and as you see, it says ad blocker is on, and it's going to block any ads that you find being displayed on your TV. This is very good, and it's a feature also that I've seen only on Brave browser. Now another thing is bookmark. You can bookmark a site or a website or video on this browser, so that if you want to come to it next, you don't need to go through typing it all together. You can just go back to your bookmark and see here. So this one is history. Now another feature which most browsers have, but I love the way this one has, is the ninja mode. So ninja mode is just like incognito mode, where you can search, we can use your browser privately without saving any data or search history. So you can come over here and turn on ninja mode. I can use it effortlessly on this browser. So these are some of the features that are very good on this browser that differentiate them from other browsers. The very one that I love is this one, and the IPTV and ad blocker, even though the ninja mode is still good. So I really love the display. The blue is my favorite color personally, so I love the display. So anyway, you can go out to your settings and check out some settings where maybe a download where you want your download to be, or if your download is downloaded and so on. Or you can change it to dark mode, but I think the blue is already perfect or better than dark mode. But anyway, okay, some of the recommendations for this I can go straight over to YouTube from here, or even Netflix. Even though this is not really necessary, but you can use Netflix straight away from here without having to install the Netflix application. Just like you can use certain applications like Google, Facebook, and so on. Let me just browse through them. Let's see. So you see there's Facebook, there's Twitter, you can check your internet speed and so on, Wikipedia. So you can also watch certain content across different applications on the internet. I think this is on YouTube. So you can watch content across different applications just from the browser without necessarily installing this application. So some of these things are what makes this browser a perfect and best browser for Android TV users. So you can always return home by just clicking the home button, and that's good. Now there's another feature that even though I've not tried it, but I believe it works, where you can share and import. So for instance, it says a share code allows you to partially or fully share your browser website subscription. So if you have a subscription on your Android phone, you can just go over here and import the code, and then you just immediately get the premium subscription on your Android TV without having to subscribe newly. So that's just a little update. So this is the browser, as I've explained you all the features that differentiate this browser. This browser has features that I have not seen on any other browser, and besides its display and these features, I consider this browser the best browser for TV browsing. So if you're looking for the best browser for TV browsing, I'll highly recommend this browser. Now, what browser it is, let me show you how to install it. So this browser is simply a browse here browser. So browse here browser is what we're using. So to install it is very simple. You can go back to Google browser or any other browser that you have on your Android TV and just search the name browse here browser. So just go over here and type browse here. So I'm not going to waste time. Here's it over here. Click on it and install. But before you buy the install, I recommend please use a VPN while browsing on the internet. A VPN keeps you secure on the internet. It protects your data, and also it keeps your privacy to yourself. So please use a VPN. In the description of this video, I have recommended a VPN that you might want to use. Check it out, and please subscribe. Use a VPN while browsing. So anyway, so here's a browse here app, browser TV web. So it is designed specifically for TV, even though you could still use it on phone. But here's over here, and you can go ahead and just click on install if you don't yet have it installed on your browser from the Google Play. So that's it about this video. And if you found this browser as the best TV browser for Android TV, let me know. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask them in the comment section.